Okay, so we have to make sure that these align properly, and they're not. Let's see what we can do. So what we have done is that we have given this and exactly 2 enters. So now the number of lines is same because this has 2 line enters. And let's see if this works, right? Now this has uh, almost 4 lines extra than anybody else. So what we would do is you go ahead and give this an extra enter. Now I guess most of these 3 are of the same size. But since this is very close to this, so what we will do is we will give it an extra enter to all these. Now all of these look at the same line. Let's just save this. Okay, some issue. Fair enough. And we'll save this and see if this works. This is an issue. Okay, so this issue is coming because entering a line is a little different than the line height. So if I write here a text which is equal to another line, it lines up. But if I don't write an equivalent amount of text, it doesn't align. So I'm just going to give certain space bars to take up the space. Okay, so what I've done is that I've just given a small little dot over here, which I'm going to just hide somewhat. And now you don't see this dot over here, and it aligns up. Let us see if this works out. We'll save this up. And we will refresh this. Now it aligns up perfectly. Problem solved. Essentially, which means that if we are trying to make these kinds of components, then we need to be able to somehow make sure that either they have same amount of space, same amount of text, or if the text is not same, then we maybe do a few space bars, enters, or maybe even putting up a dot like over here in order to make it work. There is no other interesting way. We should also check this if this is responsive. So this looks okay. This looks fairly good. I think we're good to go with this.